วัสดีค่ะ everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm Top Team, and today I am going to take you to the Flower Festival 2022. For those of you who missed the festival this year, don't be sad because today I'm going to take you to walk and see everything inside the festival. Anyway, thank you guys so much for always support me for 100 subscribers. Hey, I'm so happy. So now let's talk about the Flower Festival. This event is held for showcase the flowers and products from all around the districts in Chiang Mai. You see the booths from all around Chiang Mai district on the right hand, and on the left hand there are a lot of shops open. You can buy food and drinks and fruits and products. This flower festival is kind of like the biggest festival in Chiang Mai as well. If you want to come to Chiang Mai, I suggest you to come on this April because there is the Songkran festival, which is the water festival. Or maybe you can come to Chiang Mai in November because there will be Yeepeng Festival. I will put the link in the description box for those of you who want to know what is Yeepeng Festival. So right now you will see many booths from another area in Chiang Mai such as Doi Saket, Mae Lim, Mae On, Mae Wang, Mae Sai, Chiang Dao, Chiang Heng. There are like more than 100 districts in Chiang Mai, which I cannot remember the names of it as well. But it's very interesting because I just know that there are such many like products from Chiang Mai districts, and you can see all of the local plants from this festival. I guess you guys must know that in Thailand there are so many types of fruits. It is the land of fruits such as durian, longan, watermelon, pineapple, mangosteen. What else? There are so many types that I also haven't tried all as well. You can buy fruits, you can buy plants here, very cheap. Thai people like to come to this festival to buy some plants. I just love these kind of plants. It's so lovely. I used to have it in my house, but I never make it out. Why do they die so easy? I don't understand. Maybe they just need sunrise all the time. So these are plants where you can like treat at home, such as chili, basil, onion, something like that. And also have flowers as well. Very beautiful. So if you guys want to come to this event, you can come here during the month of February till March or something like that. The event usually takes place between 2 or 3 days, maximum 4 days. When I was a student, I used to come here such many times with my friends, like almost every year, because my high school is opposite the event. I can just cross the road and then I will meet this event. If you want to buy flowers and plants, I suggest you to come in the afternoon or in the morning. But if you guys want to see the parade, I suggest you to come at night, because there are parades like very beautiful on the other side of the road, and also you can walk inside this park as well, which is on the left hand of you. Right now on my right hand there are a lot of plants with each contest, like the plant contest. Tell me which one is the most beautiful. I love all of them, but actually I couldn't see how different which one is better than another one. It's so weird because all of them are lovely. Speaking of flowers, do you know in Thailand we believe that the name of the flower can be bad as well, like can bring the bad luck to you if you plant them inside your house, such as Dok Lan Thom. This flower is very bad luck because the name, it means sadness. So if you want to plant something in your house in Thailand, you have to be careful. I just want to know as well if in your country have some beliefs like this. You can let me know in the comments. I really don't understand how this plant can be so small, so cute. I can walk here all day because I just love the plants. So this video I just gonna take you to walk and see everything around this festival. The next video would be about the parade. I will show you how beautiful the parade is, and I'm so sorry that I show you too late because the event is already done. It was held on the 4th to the 6th of February. So this is all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for walking with me, and in the next video I'm gonna take you to watch the parade. Lately I've been thinking about to make buy me a pizza channel, like some sort of the channel which you can help donation and I can make video. I also have been thinking about how to make the video more interesting. Like some of you guys suggest me to make a video, some kind of be a Thai girl videos. I also want to do that as well, but it's like I have to overcome myself, be more open and be more confident. Please let me know in the comments what is your opinion about this. Thank you guys so much for always support me, and I'll see you on the next video.